Very good morning, students. I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. Today we will do an exercise on page number 20 from your practice book of English. Let's start it. Match each sentence with the correct type of sentence. Match each sentence with the correct type of sentence. We have only 4 sentences. And we will match it with the type of sentence. What type of sentence these are? Question, statement, exclamation, command. First of all, try to understand the type of sentences. Question. You know very well about the questions. What's your name? What's your roll number? What are you doing? These are the question. Clear? So there is no confusion. Next statement. In the statement there is no interrogative sign, no exclamation sign, no command. Simple statement. I want to read the books. I want to eat the chapati. Statement. Exclamation sign. When we express our strong emotions, feelings. What a beautiful dress. But a beautiful place. But a beautiful house. Clear? Exclamation sign. Next command. That is given by the another one. Sit down. Stand up. Open your books. These are the commands. Clear? क्लास में आपको टीचर्स कमांड देते हैं. Sit down. Stand up. Open your books. Clear? Let's jump on the sentence. First is, this baby looks like an angel. As you can see, at the end in the sentence there is an exclamation sign, so it's very easy. We will match it. C, exclamation. Clear? This baby looks like an angel. Strong emotions, strong feelings, and also exclamation sign, so we will match it. C. Next, sit down. It's a command. We will match it. D. Third, do all the students in your class learn yoga? Question mark. No confusion. So we will match it. A. It's a question. Last, she opened the door without looking through the peephole. No confusion. No interrogative sign. No exclamation sign. No command. Clear? It's a simple statement. We will match it with B. Okay. Next exercise, my turn 3. Put a full stop or an exclamation mark in the box to end each sentence correctly. Then write the type of sentence one has been done for you. Clear? Put a full stop or an exclamation mark. 2 signs के बारे में बताना है. Full stop और exclamation. Clear? Look at the example. I want to read that book. मैं वो बुक पढ़ना चाहता हूँ. No command, no question, no strong feelings or emotions. Clear? So that's why it's a statement. Full stop. Wow, this is lovely. Feelings. Wow. Exclamation. So it's an exclamatory. Clear? In the box we will put exclamation mark. Wow. Next, tell me about the festivals of India. Tell me, मुझे बताओ. It's a command. Tell me about the festivals of India. मुझे बताओ इंडिया के festivals के बारे में. It's a command. Clear? Next, write a poem. It's also a command. Write a poem. Poem लिखो. Full stop and it's a command. Next, but a beautiful place. Exclamation sign and it a exclamatory. Clear? Give me some ideas on what to say. Give me some ideas. मुझे कुछ ideas दो. It's a command. Clear? Tell me what is your roll number. टेल मी अबाउट दिस बुक्स, मुझे बताओ. गिव मी सम आइडियाज ऑन व्हाट टू से. सो इट्स अ कमांड. वी विल पुट फुल स्टॉप and also write in the blank column command. Next, keep your books in the bag. It's also a command that's given by another one. Keep your books in the bag. It can be given by the teacher, parents. आपके parents आपको बोलते हैं keep your books in the bags. Clear? It's a command. Last one, that's great idea. That's great idea. Exclamatory, and also put in the blank box exclamation sign. That's great idea. Clear? Okay students, please solve it on your practice book on page number 20. Thanks. Have a nice day.